seriously sorry. Stop.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Raji Soni and welcome to another episode of Getting Candid with You over PUBG Man. ओह देखो आ गए बड़े लोग। कहाँ थे इतने टाइम से? कहाँ थे 2 वीक तक? हाँ अरे नहीं बताइए। अरे बताइए ना, बताइए। लेट मी स्पीक ना। ओके, तो पहली बात तो ये, जो तू टिकटॉक चलती है, माना मैंने दो हफ्तों से वीडियो पोस्ट नहीं किया है, दैट डजंट मीन दैट यू विल फॉरगेट मी। डिड यू फॉरगेट मी? से नो रुक तो जा, तो हैंग ऑन, लेट मी explain what's going on. Very sorry for not uploading for the last 2 Thursdays. So सीन कुछ ऐसा है कि लॉकडाउन का स्टार्टिंग था. I had opportunity and that I grabbed that opportunity. But लॉकडाउन में फ्री टाइम भी था and अभी things have changed. My online lectures have started. Okay, and to be honest, I'm not good at managing stuff. Okay, time management and everything. No, not good at it at all. So because of that and because of lack of resources, I was not able to give you the video, not able to record the video, not able to upload it, etc. But now I am diving in to get back to the track, get back on the track. And so I hope I am consistent and I hope I give you videos every Thursday. दूसरी बात तो ये, जो तुम टिकटॉक करते थे ना, अभी पबजी भी बैन हो गया, अब क्या करोगे? हाँ टेल मी, क्या करोगे अब तो है ना, डिनर में राजमा चावल ही खाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि नो विनर चिकन डिनर. Present to you the information, and me and my very huge team of one person gathered, and that is the government banned 118 apps including PUBG.
The sheer suddenness of the move, the unexpected nature of the move, the unpredictability of the move, the fact that there was no warning to they don't know what hit them.
There was an Indo-Chinese clash which took place at Galvin Valley, in which our 20 soldiers sacrificed their lives. Many Indian citizens rose up to this occasion to boycott, to protest and boycott the Chinese products and Chinese services. And there was a debate going on whether we should ban PUBG or not, as technically it is a partial Chinese app. It is owned, it is designed by a Korean company. This idea came from an Irish man known as Brendan Green. Yeah, it was Brendan. And it was developed in a Korean company called as Bluehole. And just because this company wanted to enter the Chinese gaming market, so that this company decided that let's make a mobile version of it in collaboration with this Chinese gaming company called as Tencent. Okay, so out of the whole revenue, the 10% goes to this company. It is 10% Chinese and 90% Korean. The shocking part is, when this game was launched in China, the Chinese government decided to ban it because they thought that it is going to have an adverse effect on the young minds. But guess what? The most played game in our country with 50 million daily active users. Can you believe it? But also, again, me and my huge team of one person researched about it, and we found that it can be unbanned in India because the Korean company is planning to merge with a non-Chinese company. So there are chances that it may be unbanned. And of course, how can we not talk about 4G? Yes, it is being developed under the mentorship of our favorite Akshay Kumar, of course. The developer of Encore Games, which is an Indian gaming company, decided to make up an Indian version of PUBG, that is 4G, Fearless and United Guards. And also 20% of its net worth is going to go to Bharat Veer Trust. So this game is developed in response to Narendra Modi ji's Atmanirbhar campaign, and these people are so smart, literally so smart that when they announced that they are going to ban PUBG, right after that they announced the examination of JEE, NEET and TY exams. So
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
like I don't know what they're trying to do, normalize the fact that students are not going to notice this, but the internet was flooded with memes. Oh my god, मतलब मोदी जब हमें बताओगे तो हमें पता नहीं चलेगा क्या? हम इतने बेवकूफ नहीं है. No offense. That's it for today's video, and I hope I'll be consistent, try to entertain you every Thursday. I'll give in as much as I can. You don't worry about that. Bye, see you in the शबा के अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं. Oh my god, इतना टाइम after so long I am saying this thing again. I don't know how do I feel. I feel good, I guess.